Okay, I'm going to show you now how to install the rear rack. The rear rack has 3 points of connection. There's 2 ends here and 1 here. It's going to fit like this onto the frame. Alright, you'll need 3 screws. They may be already inserted in your frame or they may be in a bag, but the 3 screws should be a 3 or 4 millimeter screw with a washer. And what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this up to where I can put this first screw in on that side into the upper hole of the dropout. Start it with my fingers. I'm going to do the same thing on this side where I find the hole, start the screw in, rotate the rack up until this middle part rests over top of the hole in the frame right there. Put the 3rd screw in at that position. And then just tighten all the screws down. There. Here down at the base. And on this side over here. Finished.